guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. So today we're going to jump into doing an Annabelle look as the fourth look in our 13 Days of Halloween series. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and block out our brows using a glue stick. And I'm brushing the hairs up and flat against my skin using a spoolie. I'm also getting my hair just up and out of the way and into a wig cap since we're going to be wearing a wig later. Once your glue is dry, go ahead and put a full coverage concealer over that, following it up by pressing some loose translucent setting powder on that. You're going to be doing about 3 coats of the combination of concealer and setting powder until your brows are gone. Go ahead and put a full coverage foundation over the rest of your face and also set that with setting powder. Next, you're going to want to pull up a reference picture of Annabelle, and using a brown contour pencil, I'm going in and creating all the creepy little folds and whatnot that Annabelle has in her face. Using a white eye pencil, I'm putting that on my waterline, and then going in with a dark brown eyeshadow and starting to create the shadows within all those folds we just sketched out, really giving it dimension and bringing it to life. I'm then going to go in and contour my nose more like Annabelle since she has a little bit more of a button nose, so I'm going ahead and using the contour shades to mimic that shape. I'm then using a black gel liner just quickly on top of my upper lash line and just further define that. And then I'm going in and sketching out the little neck portion that Annabelle has as well and creating all the shadows and folds within that. Then for the blush, I'm just going in with a mixture of like a coral and a red eyeshadow and really just packing that on there. Using a black water activated face paint, I'm using this to line all of the folds we did on the face to really further define them and make them pop. And then I'm going in and sketching in my really creepy eyebrows. Then using a black eyeshadow, I'm going back into all those folds and deepening them further. I'm also creating a little fold underneath the lip to add a little bit more dimension in that area. And then using a white water activated face paint, I'm using this to highlight on top of all those folds and on my nose, as well as the forehead and also around the cheeks, chin, and neck area. And then popping on some fake lashes and putting a dramatic lower lash just right on that outer corner. And then using a red pencil to line my lips in, filling the rest of it in with a bright red lip paint. And then using a brown water activated face paint to kind of dirty myself up, give it a little bit more grit, just splattering that on myself with a brush. Next, I'm going back in with that white and adding in some last minute highlights. And then going in with some fake blood and kind of strategically placing this where I would like. Then once I've got all of that down, then just spritzing it more by flicking the brush on there to get more of a splatter effect. And that's it, you guys. You are now a creepy Annabelle. Thank you so much for watching. This video was a little for me to make just because dolls coming to life is one of my irrational fears. Let me know in the comments if it's also one of yours. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Like I said before, this is only look 4 out of 13 during this month of October. So we got a lot more to go. I'm really excited to have you on this journey with me. Also check out my Instagram at Lady Paradox. I post a lot of really fun content on there as well. Go and say hello. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Mwah.